of plane. In this question, it is given that a plane meets the coordinate axis in A, B, C, such that the centroid of the triangle ABC is the point PQR. Show that the equation of the plane is x upon P plus y upon Q plus z upon R equal to 3. So, first we draw here a coordinate axis. Suppose this is z axis, here this is x axis, and suppose this is y. So these are the coordinate axes x, y, z. Here O be the origin. According to the question, it is given that a plane meets the coordinate axes in A, B and C. So first we form here a plane ABC. Suppose that this is the plane ABC. Suppose that this is the plane ABC which cuts x-axis at A point, y-axis at B point and z-axis at C point. Here suppose that this is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is z-axis, and here O be the origin. Let us suppose that a plane ABC cuts x-axis at capital A point, y-axis at capital B point and z-axis at capital C point. It is given that a plane meets the coordinate axes x, y, z axis at point A, B and C, such that the centroid of the triangle ABC is the point PQR. Here it is given that the centroid of this triangle ABC is the point PQR. So first we suppose that this OA distance is small r, OA distance is small a, and this OB distance is small b, and this OC distance is small c. Let us suppose that x up let us suppose that equation of the plane which makes intercepts small a, b, c on x, y and z axis respectively. Let us suppose that the equation of the plane which makes intercept A, B, C on x, y, z axis respectively be x upon A plus y upon B plus z upon C equal to 1. This is the equation of the plane in intercept form, and this plane meets x-axis at capital A point, y-axis at capital B point and z-axis at capital C point. And this plane ABC cuts the intercept on x-axis is small a, cuts the intercept on y-axis is small b, and cuts the intercept on z-axis is small c. Here OA is small a, OB is small b, and OC is small c. Let us suppose that this is the plane which make intercept small a on x-axis, small b on y-axis and small c on z-axis. Now the point of capital A, coordinate of capital AB is small a 0 0, because on x-axis coordinate of y and z are 0. So coordinate of A can be written as A 0 0. Similarly coordinate of B can be written as 0 B 0, because we know that x and z coordinate is 0 on y-axis. Similarly, the coordinate of C can be written as 0 0 C, and we know that the x and y coordinate on z-axis is 0. So, according to question here, a plane meets the coordinate axis in capital ABC. So we suppose that this is x axis, this is y axis, this is z axis. Here suppose that this plane ABC cuts meet the x axis at A point, meet y axis at B point, and meet z axis at C point. We suppose that this OA distance is small a, OB distance is small b, OC distance is small c. So this plane ABC makes intercept on x axis is small a, makes intercept on y axis is small b, makes intercept on z axis is small c. So the equation of this plane in intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. Here the coordinate of capital A point is a00 because we know that y and z coordinates on z axis is 00 and s coordinate is given that small a. Similarly, the coordinate of B point is 0b0 and C point is 00c. Now we find the centroid of this triangle ABC, which is given by PQR. So centroid of triangle ABC is equal to PQR. It is given that centroid of triangle ABC, this is equal to PQR. Also we know that centroid of triangle ABC can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. This is equal to the point PQR. Here centroid of the triangle ABC is given by PQR. And we know that the formula for finding the centroid of triangle whose vertices are given by x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3 can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. We know that suppose that this is a triangle and here ABC, these are the vertices of the triangle x1 y1 z1, here the vertices x2 y2 z2 and here the coordinate of C vertices x3 y3 z3. So the centroid of this triangle can be written as, so centroid of triangle can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Since we know that if three vertices of a triangle are given by x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3, so centroid of the triangle can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. This is the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. So here the vertices of the triangles are A, B and C and the coordinate of A is A00, this is x1 y1 z1, here this point is x1 y1 z1 and this point is here x2 y2 z2 and this point is here x3 y3 z3. Now we put here value of x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3. So this can be written as a plus 0 divided by 3, 0 plus a plus 0 divided by 3, here 0 plus b plus 0 divided by 3 and 0 plus 0 plus c divided by 3 is equal to PQR. Now this solve this, we get here, on solving this we get here, this is A by 3, B by 3 and C by 3. This is equal to PQR. Now we can write this A upon 3 is equal to P, B upon 3 is equal to Q, C upon 3 is equal to R. So from this we find here A is equal to 3P, B is equal to 3Q and C is equal to 3R. Now putting value of A, B, C in terms of P, Q, R in equation 1. Now putting value of A, B, C, putting value of A, B, C in equation 1. So this is x upon 3p plus y upon 3q plus z upon 3r is equal to 1. Now we multiply this whole equation by 3, so we get x upon p plus y upon q plus z upon r equal to 3. So this is the equation of the plane which meets the coordinate axis in capital ABC point and whose and the centroid of the triangle ABC is given by the point P, Q and small r. Thank you.